Did you know that as we age, our skin loses about 1% of its collagen each year? That's why having a solid winter skincare routine is more important than ever for women over 50. As we enter the colder months, it's essential to adapt our skincare routines to combat the harsh effects of winter. Our skin tends to become drier, more irritated, and loses its natural glow. But don't worry, I'm here to share some winter skincare secrets specifically tailored for women over 50. In this video, we'll dive into the common skincare challenges we face during winter, and I'll share some game-changing tips and tricks to help you overcome them. Whether you're struggling with dryness, irritation, or loss of elasticity, I've got you covered. So let's get started and explore the world of winter skincare for women over 50. First, subscribe now to unlock your healthiest self, because your journey to better health starts here. Winter can be brutal on our skin, and it's essential to understand the challenges we face during this season. Dry air, harsh winds, and cold temperatures can strip our skin of its natural moisture, leading to dryness and irritation. As we age, our skin's natural barrier function weakens, making it more prone to irritation and sensitivity. This can lead to redness, itchiness, and even eczema. Furthermore, the cold weather can cause our skin to produce less sebum, leading to dryness and dullness. This can be especially challenging for women over 50, as our skin's natural ability to retain moisture decreases with age. In addition to dryness and irritation, winter can also cause our skin to lose its elasticity and firmness. This can lead to fine lines, wrinkles, and a lackluster complexion. Another challenge we face during winter is the lack of vitamin D. As we spend less time outdoors, our skin doesn't get enough vitamin D, which is essential for healthy skin. Moreover, the harsh winds and cold temperatures can cause our skin to become more sensitive, leading to rosacea, acne, and other skin issues. The dry air can also cause our skin to become more prone to breakouts, as our skin's natural moisture barrier is disrupted. In addition to these challenges, winter can also cause our skin to look dull and lackluster. The lack of humidity can strip our skin of its natural glow, leaving it looking tired and aged. Furthermore, the cold weather can cause our pores to appear larger, leading to a rougher skin texture and a more prominent appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. As you can see, winter can be a challenging time for our skin. But don't worry, I'm here to share some secrets and tips to help you combat these challenges and keep your skin looking healthy and radiant. When it comes to winter skincare, it's essential to focus on hydration and moisturization. Look for products that contain hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and glycerin, as these ingredients can help lock in moisture and soothe dry, irritated skin. Another key ingredient to look for is niacinamide, which can help improve skin elasticity and firmness. It can also help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, giving your skin a more youthful appearance. In addition to these ingredients, exfoliation is also crucial during winter. Use a gentle exfoliant containing alpha-hydroxy acids or beta-hydroxy acids to remove dead skin cells and reveal smoother, brighter skin. When it comes to product application, it's essential to focus on layering. Start with a lightweight toner, followed by a serum or treatment product, and then seal it all in with a moisturizer. Another tip is to use a facial spray throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated and refreshed. Look for a spray containing aloe vera or green tea, as these ingredients can help soothe and calm dry, irritated skin. In addition to these tips, it's also essential to protect your skin from the harsh winter winds and cold temperatures. Use a scarf or mask to cover your face when going outside, and avoid using hot water when washing your face, as it can strip your skin of its natural oils. One of my favorite winter skincare secrets is to use a facial oil or serum containing squalane. This ingredient can help lock in moisture and provide long-lasting hydration, leaving your skin looking healthy and radiant. When it comes to facial masks, look for ones containing ingredients like honey, oatmeal, or shea butter. These ingredients can help soothe and moisturize dry, irritated skin, leaving your skin feeling soft and supple. Another game-changing tip is to use a humidifier in your home, especially in your bedroom. This can help add moisture back into the air, which can help combat dryness and irritation. In addition to these tips, it's also essential to stay hydrated from the inside out. Drink plenty of water throughout the day and avoid sugary drinks that can dehydrate your skin. One standout skincare product that has proven to be a game changer for winter skincare is the La Roche-Posay Toleriane Ultra Fluid. This product contains caffeine, which can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and glycerin, which can help lock in moisture. I've had amazing results with this product, and I highly recommend it to anyone struggling with dryness and irritation during winter. In addition to this product, I've also had great success with facial massages. Massaging your face can help increase blood flow and stimulate collagen production, leaving your skin looking more radiant and youthful. As we wrap up this video, I want to summarize the key points we discussed. Winter can be a challenging time for our skin, but by adapting our skincare routines and focusing on hydration, moisturization, and exfoliation, we can combat these challenges and keep our skin looking healthy and radiant. Remember to stay hydrated from the inside out, use a humidifier, and protect your skin from the harsh winter winds and cold temperatures. And don't forget to check out my other video on skincare tips for aging skin. What are your biggest winter skincare struggles or successes? Let me know in the comments below.